Chapter 5: Designing a Worksheet. The worksheet can be presented in an effective and colorful way by changing the font style or the color of the cells. This is called formatting. Font formatting. To change the font size and font style of the data in the selected cells, you click on the Home tab and select the font group for the required formatting style. Example: font size, font style, font color, etc. To change the font style and font color: 1. Select the cells. 2. Click Home tab in the font group and select the options for font formatting. 3. Make the following choices. Font: choose Comic Sans MS. Size: choose 14. Style: choose bold. Color: choose blue. 4. Click the arrow in the right corner of the font group. A new window Format Cells will open. Select the desired option for further formatting and then click OK. Formatting the border. You can apply a border to a selected cell. 1. Select the range of cells. 2. Click on the drop-down list box of the Borders button on the font group in the Home tab. 3. Choose the border style options. 4. Your table now has a border. Changing the cell color and the background color. You can change the font color and the background color of the cells. To change the color of the font: 1. Select a cell or range of cells. 2. Click on the Font Color drop-down list button from the font group on the Home tab. 3. Select the color you wish to use. To change the background color of the cells: 1. Select a cell or range of cells. 2. Click on the Fill Color drop-down list button in the font group from the Home tab. 3. Select the new background color of your choice. Conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a feature which allows you to format the data that meets certain applied conditions. 1. Create a worksheet like the one alongside. 2. Select the range C2:C8. 3. Click on the Home tab, go to Style Group. 4. Select the conditional formatting option. Suppose the score made by a student at the annual sports day is between 70 and 80. The score can be highlighted by displaying it in red and in bold characters. 5. Select the Between option and type 70 and 80 in the text box. 6. Select the Custom Format option from the drop-down menu. The Format Cells dialog box appears. 7. Select Bold from Font Style and select Red from the color box. Go and click on OK button to close this dialog box. This will return you to the Conditional Formatting dialog box. 8. Click on the OK button to close this dialog box.